What is the least common multiple of two numbers and how do we find it? Let's take a look. So here we have our first example, 6 and 8. The least common multiple is a larger number that 6 and 8 can both divide into and not give any remainder. And it's got to be the smallest number that is possible for that. So to do this, I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to write out the multiples of 6. Okay, and when I mean multiples, I mean this number, 6, and numbers that are larger than it that are divisible by 6. So for example, 6, and then we just keep adding 6 to it. Add 6, 12, add 6 again, 18, add 6 again, 24, keep going, 30, 36, 42, 48, and 54, 60, 66, and 72. Oh, that's as far as I can go. That does keep going, but that should be enough, I'd say. Let's try 8. Might write a bit smaller, just in case. 8, keep adding 8, 16, 24, and 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, getting larger now, 72, 80, 88, what's the next one? 96, I think that will do. Okay, and that will keep going as well. So first we're going to find the common multiples. What we do, pick the larger of the two and go through that list and by element see if that number appears in the other list as well. So let's try it. 8, no. 16, no. 24, yes, 24 appears in the other list. Okay, so we have our first common multiple. Let's keep going. 32, no. 40, no. 48, yes, 48 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. And what you might notice here is that they're all multiples of 24. The next one, 56, no. 64, no. 72 is 3 times 24. So 72 is another common multiple, okay, of 6 and 8. So these are our common multiples, but we are looking for the least, or it's sometimes called the lowest common multiple as well. It's going to be 24. Okay, so the least common multiple of 6 and 8 is 24. And this is handy when you're adding and subtracting fractions actually. When you have two denominators and you want to find out what's the common denominator going to be, the lowest common denominator, it's actually going to be the least common multiple of the two denominators, like so. Let's try another, example B, 15 and 21. So let's write out the multiples of 15 itself and keep adding 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 80, 90, 105, 120, 135. That will keep going. Hopefully that's enough. And the factors of 21. 21. Oh, this could get tricky. 21. Add 21. 42. Okay, I got a trick. Let's add 20 and then add an extra 1 each time. 42, 52, 62, plus a 1, 63. 73, 83, plus an extra 1 is 84. 84, 94, 104, plus 1 is 105. 105, 115, 125, plus 1, 126. 126, 136, 146, plus the extra 1, oops, that's 147 that's going to be, pardon me. 147, 157, 167, 167 plus 1 is 168. Hopefully that's enough. So what are our common multiples here? Let's pick the larger of the two, 21, no. 42, no. These numbers are not appearing in the list above. 63, no. 84, no. 105, oh, yes, 105. Not many here, and the next one I guess is going to be 210, which we're not going to see in our list here. Okay, so that's got to be it. The least common multiple of 15 and 21 is going to be 105. Quite a large one, that one. By the way, this works for 3 numbers as well. You just got to make 3 lists, okay? And then you're looking for the right number that appears in all 3 lists, okay? The least common multiple. Let's just try one more, 12 and 36, because something interesting happens here. All right, multiples of 12, so 12 itself. 24. Adding 12 again, 36. This is easy because we can do our 12 times tables. 4 12s are 48. 5 12s are 60. 6 12s are 72. 7 12s are 84. That's as far as I'm going to reach. I'm going to stop there. And 36. Multiples of 36. 36 itself. 72. How am I going to do this? I guess we can add 40 and subtract 4 each time. 72. 82. 92. 102. 112. Take away 4. 108. 148. Take away 4 is 144. And adding 40 to that, 184. 184. Taking away 4 is 180. Hopefully that's enough for that one. Okay, so what is our least common multiple for 12 and 36? I'll take the bigger of the two and let's circle our common multiples. So 36, oh, found one straight away. 72, oh, 72. Found another one. And I guess the next one's going to be 108. This is a bit of a weird case because our least common multiple is actually one of the numbers we started with. And the reason this has happened is because one of these numbers is a multiple of the other, okay? 36 is a multiple of 12. 12 times 3 is 36. And when that happens, the larger of the two numbers is going to be your lowest common multiple, 36. So this is kind of a special case here. And that's enough from me. It's now your turn. Please try example 2. Find the least common multiples for these sets of numbers here. So first one, 9 and 12. Second one, 11 and 22. Third one, 15 and 18. And for one of these examples, the LCM is one of the two numbers. Which one? Remember to share your answers in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.